Hey YouTube, what's up? We're here today at Espressotec Sales and Service. We're in the Barista Lab. We're hanging out. We just got a new machine. We're super excited. This came out of Italy. It's been, well, we've been waiting a long time for the Porta Via. This is a travel case espresso machine. You see it's got a big robust case, and on the inside of it, it comes with your full setup to be able to make espresso in that 3-star hotel, bring it to a 5-star. So, what are we gonna do today? We're gonna unbox it. We're gonna take it out of the case. We're gonna go over what it came with. A little bit about the features, and then you guys are going to want to check out our next video where we're going to sling some shots and also pull a latte on it, okay? This machine was pre-purchased by a company called Tutti Car in Squamish. He's a client of ours, so he's letting us pull out his machine, demo it, and use it for our video purposes. We're really excited. He's going to take it all over Squamish in BC and demo his coffee and pull it out of the back of his car, so you guys want to check out him. Whoa. That's so cool. I just opened a case and I got an espresso machine out of it. So there we are. That's the Rocket Espresso machine. On the top, really nicely stored, is all these accessories. Comes right off. We'll take out the drip tray here. We've got a water tank lid. So really all nicely stored. You can keep it either right in the case, get things set up. This thing on the top here, that's a water tank. Really nice, good seal on there. Wow. It's a pretty sweet looking machine so far, right guys? Great setup. It comes with 2 demi-tasse plates. And then you got these beautiful Rocket logo cups. Good for lattes, espressos, cappuccinos. Comes with a nice bottomless triple basket in there, so if you're a double drinker, you're going to want to get some extra baskets. 21 grams of coffee. Coffee scoop. Comes with a Rocket branded logo tamper there. And then your back flush disc, because back flushing is important. And then the Mocha style Rocket steam pitchers. There we are. That's everything it comes with, guys. That's the machine. So let's talk a little bit about it and its specs before we get into the next video where we'll be demoing it, or demoing it. So this is a, dual boiler machine actually. It's got a 0.5 liter coffee boiler and a 0.7 liter steam boiler. So lots of power punched into this little tiny machine. On the top here we got a water tank, about a liter of water. It's going to be using a vibe pump, so a vibration pump, kind of like the one that's on your Apartamento, your Type Vs, and then you have the same E61 group head that's on all the Rockets. Large steam wand here to be able to get lots of access on the sides of the machine. So you only got a steam wand, open and close just like another Rocket espresso machine. And then you have a power button here in the front. So everything you need to get started pulling shots in your hotel comes in this box. All you're gonna need to do is bring the bag of coffee to get things started. All right guys, let's check out our next video where we're gonna be using the Porta Via. Let us know in the comments section below what you think about the machine. Also, you're gonna wanna like and subscribe so you can tag onto those next videos. See ya.